everyone! Welcome to my virtual class. I am Ma'am J and I'm your teacher for today. Happy learning! Ang lesson natin sa araw na ito ay finding the vertex and axis of symmetry in the quadratic function. So, vertex of a quadratic function occurs at the point HK, also called the turning point of the parabola. Axis of symmetry of a quadratic function, the line passing through the vertex, can be determined by x equals h. So let's have an example. So number 1, let's determine the vertex and axis of symmetry of the function f of x equals x squared plus 4x minus 3. There are two ways in finding the vertex. So letter A, using the completing the squares. So naituro ko na to last time. So we have f of x equals x squared plus 4x minus 3. So x squared plus 4x. Yan, ganyan natin. So kunin natin yung i-completing the square natin yung ating equation. So 4 over 2 is equals to 2 raised to 2, which is equals to 4. So yung 4, i-add po natin sa ating given. So both sides. So minus po sa kabilang side. And then i-factor po natin sa x squared plus 4x plus 4. So we have quantity x plus 2 raised to 2. Then negative 3 minus 4 is negative 7. So f of x equals a times quantity x minus h raised to 2 plus k. So h is equals to negative 2 and k is equals to negative 7. So the vertex of our function is at point negative 2, negative 7. Then our axis of symmetry, so x equals h. So acting axis of symmetry is negative 2. So letter B, using the formula of HK. So H is equals to negative B over 2A. So K is equals to 4AC minus B squared over 4A. So pasensya na kung ating equation or ating formula ay naka-horizontal. Kasi ang hirap po siyang i-type kapag naka-vertical po. Okay na yan. So, i-substitute po natin yung ating mga given sa ating formula para makuha natin si H at si K para ma-identify natin si vertex. So, unahin muna natin ibigay si A, B, at C. So, A equals 1, B equals 4, and C equals to negative 3. So, yan po ay nanggaling sa ating function. So, unahin natin si H. So, H equals negative 4 over 2 times 1. Since ang ating B ay positive 4, so magiging negative na siya. And then 2 times 1, so ang ating A ay 1, so 2 times 1 na siya. So negative 4 over 2. So 2 times 1 is equals to 2. And negative 4 over 2 is equals to negative 2. So H is equals to negative 2. So K equals, so ang ating A ay 1, ang ating C ay negative 3, at ang ating B ay 4. Ayan, sinubstitute lang po natin yung ating given sa ating formula. So, ayan na po siya. So, negative 3 times 4 times 1 is negative 12. And negative times quantity 4 squared is 16. Negative 16. Then, 4 times 1 is equals to 4. So, negative 12 minus 16 is negative 28 over 4. So, negative 28 over 4 is equals to negative 7. So, K is equals to negative 7. So, ang ating vertex is at point negative 2, negative 7. At ang ating axis of symmetry is negative 2. So, yun po yung dalawang way kung paano hanapin si vertex. So, una, gamitin natin yung ating vertex form. So, bago tayo makakuha ng vertex form, so, syempre, completing the square muna ating gagawin. Or simply, gumamit na tayo mismo ng formula for H and K. So, let's have number 2. Determine the vertex and axis of symmetry of the function f of x equals 2x squared minus 6x plus 4. So, we will use the completing the square. So, ito yung ating given. So, negative 3 over 2 raised to 2 is equals to 9 over 4. So, yun yung i-add natin both sides. So, minus po sa kabilang side. And then, i-factor natin si x squared minus 3x plus 9 over 4. So, magiging 2 times quantity x minus 3 over 2 squared plus or minus negative 1 half. Kasi 4 minus 9 over 2 is negative 1 half. So, ito nga pala sa ating right side, kaya siya naging negative 9 over 2 kasi 2 times 9 over 4 is equals to 9 over 2. So, minus 9 over 2. And 4 minus 9 over 2 is equals to negative 1 half. So, ito yung ating vertex form. So, ang h natin ay 3 over 2 at ang k natin ay negative 1 half. So, ang vertex natin is at point 3 over 2 and negative 1 half. At ang ating axis of symmetry is equals to h. So, ating axis of symmetry is 3 over 2. So, let's have number 3. So, determine the vertex and axis of symmetry of the function f of x equals 2x squared minus 4x minus 3. So, I'm using the formula of hk wherein h is equals to negative b over 2a and k is equals to 4ac minus b squared over 4a. So, ang ating a sa given ay 2, ang b ay negative 4, at ang c ay negative 3. So, substitute natin yung ating mga given sa ating formula. So, h is equals to negative times negative 4 over 2 times 2. So, negative times negative 4 is positive 4, and 2 times 2 is equals to 4. So, 4 over 4 is equals to 1. So, h is equals to 1. Then, ang k naman natin ay 4 times 2 times negative 3 minus negative 4 raised to 2 over 4 times 2. So, 4 times 2 times negative 3 is equals to negative 24. And negative 4 raised to 2 is equals to positive 16. So, magiging negative 24 minus 16. And 4 times 2 is equals to 8. Then, negative 24 minus 16 is equals to negative 40 over 8. And negative 40 over 8 is equals to negative 5. So, ang ating h ay 1 at ang ating k ay negative 5. So, the vertex is at point 1, negative 5. And the axis of symmetry is 1. So, ganun lang po kadali kung paano hanapin or i-determine ang vertex ng ating function. So, pwede kayong gumamit ng vertex form. So, using the completing the square or using the formula ng hk, where h is equals to negative b over 2a at k is equals to 4ac minus b squared over 4a. At ang axis of symmetry po ay equals po sa h. So, ganun lang po siya kasimple. So, sana meron kayong natutunan sa araw na ito.
Thank you for watching! Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time!